Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is actually something a lot of you asked for, and I am so happy. I know how tricky eye makeup can feel when your crease just disappears the moment you open your eyes. So in this video, I'm going to show you some super simple eyeshadow and eyeliner hacks that actually work for hooded eyes. So let's get straight into it. When you apply the eyeshadow in a wrong way, it looks like this. So if you've got hooded eyes, here's a super easy way to make your eyeshadow actually show. First, look straight into the mirror and lightly mark a new crease just above your natural one. Blend a soft matte shade into that line and lift it slightly towards the outer corner. This gives your eyes instant definition. Keep your eyes open while blending so the color stays visible. Then add a little shimmer. It's optional, only on the center of your lid and inner corner to brighten everything up without making the hood look heavy. I've added another video as well, just to give you a clearer look at the technique and how it actually works on hooded eyes. So today I'm showing you the exact trick that actually works and looks clean, lifted, for hooded eyes. Now place 2 tiny dots, one lower at the outer corner, and one a little higher, right where your crease folds. These dots are your cheat codes. They show you where the wing will stay visible, even when your eyes are open. Now just join the dots, literally connect the dots. This gives you that perfect lifted angle without dragging the eye down. Fill in that tiny shape you created. Don't extend too high or too long. The magic of hooded eye eyeliner is keeping it short, sharp, and lifted. A thick line can hide your lid space even more, so we're keeping it soft and neat. If you want that crisp, snatched wing, take a little concealer or micellar water on a brush and clean the lower edge. And that's it, guys. Your mini masterclass for hooded eyes, eyeshadow, eyeliner, and I've added those example photos in the community section, so you can visualize everything even better. If this helped you even a little, hit that like button. If it made your makeup life easier, then honestly, you have to subscribe. It's the rule. Comment below what hooded eye tip or makeup hack you want me to break down next. I'm always reading your comments and picking ideas from there. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the love. And I'll see you in the next video.